Ignoring that question. So here we are, folks, at Grattan Raceway. We got the kids with us. That one doesn't belong to me, but that one does. It's Rainy.
I'm not.
Just chilling in the trawler. Big Bertha's here. So just so you don't think that everything runs smooth here at Shelby Exotics all the time, not Shelby Exotics. We kind of fucked up a little bit. I checked the oil this morning and it was a little bit off. I thought about a quart, so I put a quart in it, but then I realized that the ground here is not level. So when I got it back flat again, I was actually 2 quarts high, and if you get a heat soak error...
Yeah. Can you show them what you're doing with your pants?
I am holding my pants up because they won't stay up right now, so it's kind of how that...
Instead of just taking them off...
Instead of just letting them fall down, because that would look strange, I'm kind of just getting ready for the next session. So, anyway, I got basically the error that says engine temp too high, and basically put the car into limp mode. That's what happens if you overfill the oil, because it was about 2 quarts high. So, stupid me trying to do maintenance overfilled the oil. And in doing so, ended up, see, now it looks pretty smooth, doesn't it? That's actually all fucking oil dry right there. Oopsie.
Is that your new pants?
So there's the old FP car. Let's go check them out, or the TR.
The ones that we bought from
Close here to the racetrack, but I can get you not really close. So we're gonna get kind of a bird's eye view. We're gonna go up here. We do have a band of Mustang guys here. Some BMWs. All sorts of good stuff. This program because I was editing videos, and while I edit videos I like to watch a little YouTube, and I got a rant. You're gonna hear a full-on bitch fit.
Your preference, but it will save whatever you choose, and the active rev match is really cool, and I'll detail more about that in my review, and you can watch my delivery video and my first thoughts on that. So that's nice, and also the B&O Play audio.
Why the fuck would you buy that?
It's an option for all 2019 Mustang GTs.
No one cares. No one. I like the chase scene in Bullitt, but nobody gives a flying fuck about that car anymore. It's fucking ugly and it's green.
So that's it as far as
Matt,
2019 changes.
You fucking blew it, dude. Why in the fuck would you not get a 350? Wow, Matt. It looks almost like a regular fucking Mustang, doesn't it? Yeah. Look at right here. Right here.
And this is gloss black. In other Mustangs, this is matte black, and they don't really match. That kind of drove me crazy on the regular 2018 Mustang GTs. I love that this matches. That is such a nice thing. You also have...
No, it's not a nice thing. It's missing the Cobra things, and it's not special at all. It's got the Porky Pig. That's all, folks.
All the same. But another thing you'll see, no 5.0
rad
badges
calipers.
So many people walk by this in car shows and think it's an eco boost because they're on 5.0 badges. Until I started.
Yeah, look at, and then you're like, you have to explain why it's a fucking nice car. But it's not.
So that's cool though. No fender badges. Again, just low profile. The reason they did that is because of the movie.
I mean, Molly McLean didn't even know what the fuck it was.
1968 Mustang GT Fastback did not have fender badges.
I do like the
on,
rims.
so they deleted that.
The rims are kind of cool.
Again, gave it this low profile look. You know, in the movie, Steve McQueen plays a detective, and you know, he has a low profile, you know, dark green Mustang, and it really fits, you know, the character. And
you don't need to explain it,
back here,
Matt. You don't need to explain it.
Are the Bullitt emblem here? It's a faux gas cap kind of.
Wow, if you haven't noticed the giant bullseye on the back of the fucking car.
The lower rear valance here. So you will first notice if you had a really sharp eye.
Yeah, you overpaid for it, and you don't have the diffusers anymore, which means it does not create rear downforce. Good.
And kind of gets rid as you get on, you know, any other Mustang GT.
Am I the only one that feels this way?
All bullets come standard with the
I don't give a shit anymore about that car. I don't.
Sports and then the track mode, which opens it up.
We've got GT350s that are high performance vehicles. The 2018 Mustang's great. I mean, it really is a good looking car. I like the nose. Some people don't like it. I think it's cool because they're really going to do something special with it.
That's another thing, a throwback to the movie.
Look at, they took off the fucking spoiler too, so that looks like shit.
The great thing about the Bullitt is there's no flashy spoilers, there's no badges. It's very discreet.
I know, Matt. I love Matt Moran Motors videos. I think they're fantastic, but I don't understand the affection with this car. I don't. I love the chase scene. It's one that it is, other than Fast and Furious, which, you know, time moves on, things get better. Fast and Furious has awesome chase scenes. Way back when, yeah, that was really cool. Have you watched it lately?
Really nice look.
It looks like shit. It's fake. The tire squealing doesn't even match the car going.
I think previously some of the European Mustangs, S550s, come with a few options. So these
I love you, man. I really do. But that car fucking blows whale dick. I don't get it, dude. Like, go park it somewhere. You're all worried about your braking period.
One of the main reasons why I skipped the Recaros is so that I could actually still keep
because getting Recaros would have made the car sporty and cool, and you really wanted to keep it gay.
To, you know, have that. You get the Recaros, you get rid of that, you get rid of the power function and everything. And are, you know, definitely worth sticking with.
That's all, folks.
The same Recaros as any other GT, except the Recaro logo was stitched in green. Speaking of that
looks
green
good.
stitching, though, it is everywhere on the interior still, and you can see.
Gay.
It's matched,
you can't see it, man. None of us can see it. It's dark green on black. You know how hard that is to fucking see? You get the Recaros, then at least you've got a matte Alcantara. I don't even want to watch this shit anymore. I love you, Matt, but it's so stupid. Like, hey, if you're a big Bullitt fan, great. Awesome. I was kind of cool with you buying the car. But now you just keep making fucking videos on it and it sucks balls! The Bullitt is just a fucking GT Mustang with 20 more horsepower, which you could do with a fucking cold air intake or a K&N filter. There's nothing special. They took all the badges off it and painted it fucking ugly green. And Matt's all excited about it.
Why would you buy a whole new car? Just upgrade the car that you have before.
Do you work for Matt Moran Motoring right now?
No, I'm just asking why would he buy a new car when he could just upgrade it?
Why do my daughter's boyfriends always feel like they need to talk? Tell him, Allie. Tell him.
Are you going with us?
Where are we going? We're going go-karting.
Actually, I don't know if we have enough room. Because we have Matt, Zach, Cameron, and then possibly Lawrence.
Folks, I just had to come out with that. Matt, I love your videos, okay? You are a big Ford fan, big Mustang guy, huge YouTuber, but for fuck's sake, dude, why didn't you get an R? And even if you love that car, go park in the garage somewhere and let's not talk about it anymore. There's nothing special about it. It was a huge letdown, the fact that it wasn't the GT500 they were even launching at the fucking show. Maybe that's it, Matt. Maybe I'm not that upset with you, but you are doing like a 45-minute fucking video right now on this car again. I had to watch you fucking buy it thinking, okay, I'm with him. You know, he obviously has an affinity for Bullitt. He doesn't like Carroll Shelby. He doesn't like performance Mustangs. He didn't get a Roush. He didn't get a Shelby. No, he's waited his whole life for 20 fucking horsepower.
Another thing, while we're talking about being a play system, I'll go ahead and show you the subwoofer in the trunk, which is a new design.
A subwoofer in the fucking trunk. They're all in the trunk, Matt. They've been that way since 2015.
It's definitely a different design. I think it looks like a slightly
I'm sorry. I love you, kid. I really do.
The Shaker Pro.
Let's
at least the
move
enclosures makes it look a little bit bigger. I'm not sure.
Okay, I'm done. I'm done. Thanks for watching Shelby Exotics. I just had to rant because I have watched so much of your content on the Bullitt, and I just don't share the same affinity. I think it's great you got your dream car. However, there's just so many better, more fun versions of the Mustang. But you've got your dream car. I know you're excited. Thank you for watching Shelby Exotics. If this is your first time here, please subscribe. Hit the like button. What else do we have to do?
Comment down below.
No, what are they supposed to do?
You know my dad's not very tall. I'm just very short.
Yeah, she teeny weeny. What are they supposed to do?
I don't think I even subscribe to your channel.
Well, and that's why you're going to show them. So please subscribe. And don't wear your sunglasses.
Like and comment, tell my daddy's a dick.
Yeah, do that.